KINCROME engine support bar. The product has an adjustable length, which can be set between 730 mm and 1480 mm. It also has an adjustable height, which can be set between 0 mm and 205 mm. It is able to support the weight of an engine up to 500 kilograms without the need for removal. It has a safe working load of 500 kilograms and is suitable for most makes and models of vehicles. However, it is recommended to refer to the owner's manual of the specific vehicle before use. Gison electric drill stand. The Taiwan Gison's GP233's LineLazer electric drill is a versatile tool that can assist you in drilling on the side face of a workpiece. It has the advantage of low air consumption, which means it can be powered by a small 1.5 HP air compressor without the need for an additional vacuum pump. This makes it easy to handle. Attach the stand to the workpiece and use the built-in vacuum suction fixing base to hold it securely. Not only that, but the stand is also easy to carry out to the job site. The angle attachment allows the user to change the angle and drill the sides of the workpiece with ease. Heavy-duty pivot shear vertical bar Swenson shear roof cutting tools. The heavy-duty pivot shear is a powerful tool that comes with a custom blade set. Each set is specially designed to fit a specific profile and pitch, but gable blades have a slight flexibility. The shear's base allows for interchangeable blades, so you can order multiple sets for different panel profiles. It's portable, weighs 120 pounds and proudly made in the USA. Beamnova 500 watts tumbler heat press machine. The Beamnova tumbler heat press, a state-of-the-art machine with a sleek and modern design. Its 500 watts of superpower make for faster and more uniform heating, with a maximum press cup capacity of 30 ounces and compatibility with most straight cups. The Lever-theory design makes operation easy and effortless, and safety features such as a non-slip handle and foot pad ensure your peace of mind. The digital control screen is user-friendly and intuitive, with only 3 buttons for adjusting temperature and timing. Upgrade your operation with the Beamnova tumbler heat press. Winntec Smart Disc. The Smart Disc, the ultimate solution for tire servicing. These robust discs come equipped with casters, providing extra mobility and flexibility. Easily transport tires and wheel assemblies with ease and efficiency. The Smart Disc also works with the Winntec Smart Cart, making it easy to move entire sets of tires and wheels across the workshop, or even over rough terrain. Get the job done with less effort and more convenience with the Smart Disc. The LineLazer S500, the perfect solution for small to medium-sized line stripping jobs. This innovative machine is battery-powered, providing the convenience and flexibility you need. It is also fully capable of handling any task at hand. The LineLazer S500 is designed to work with fast, dry, waterborne traffic paints, with all fluid passageways upgraded to accommodate this type of paint. The machine comes equipped with an upgraded hose, gun, and fittings to make the process even smoother and more efficient. Upgrade your line stripping game with the LineLazer S500. Gecko Grip Tray. The Gecko Grip Tray series is here to revolutionize the way you store and organize your tools and small pots. Casted from food-grade silicone, these trays are built to last and can handle any conditions. With a built-in carrying handle and high-visibility yellow color, they're perfect for any setting. Whether in the garage, service van, or workshop, the Gecko Grip Tray series has you covered. Kristal rotating bucket mortar mixer.
The KINCROME micro-impact screwdriver set is designed specifically for effective fastening and loosening of wristed, damaged or stripped fasteners in light-duty applications, such as smaller fasteners used on a car or motorbike. It does this by applying a strong, sudden rotational force coupled with forward thrust when struck with a hammer to shock fasteners loose and prevent the tip from camming out of the fastener.
The rain sensor level. The rain sensor level is a device that helps to prevent spillovers by ensuring a perfectly level surface. To use it, you must first use Sensortic products 902 British pounds and 904 British pounds. Using the side knobs, adjust the rain sensor platform until the bubble in the level is centered. Then apply the gel to the rain sensor pad for a perfectly even application. This will create a flawlessly even rain sensor pad, allowing for more accurate and reliable sensor readings.